So I'm in a Taylor Morrison new build home, and this one is in Cadence in Henderson. Lovely community in Cadence. It has a huge park, a lake, a playground. It has everything for you to enjoy with your pets, your family, just taking a walk. It's just beautiful. This property here, it has 3 bedrooms, but it also has a loft. So you can use it as an office or a gym area, or an extra room if you need an extra room. So this property is $569,000. It's a great property. So I'm going to take you guys inside there and you can take a look. So this is the Taylor Morrison house. This model right here is actually the office, and it's this Spruce, but right here where the office is would be your 2-car garage, and it's tall. It's a large 2-car garage, so there's plenty of storage here. So we're going to go right inside through this lovely blue door. And you see the flooring, it's so pretty. And it has the extra tall ceilings, recessed lighting, and it has a great room. So the kitchen is open to the living room. That's what we call a great room. And it does have enough room here for bar stools. If you just want a quick bite or entertain, that's perfect. Or you can have dinner here. There's a dining room area here for you. And then this unit has the cabinets going all the way across. So pretty. You have a ton of storage here. Beautiful white backsplash and matches, and you have the stainless steel appliances. And this island is very large. So there's a sink here. How deep that is. And the dishwasher here too. Let me show you the pantry. There's plenty of room for your Costco run. You can even add more shelving up there. And there's more cabinets too. Stainless steel refrigerator. So we're gonna go around the corner here, and this is where your extra room is. And they have it as an office. You can have it, put a gym in here if you want a treadmill. And you can use it for whatever, and even an extra bedroom. Here's the guest downstairs bathroom. And right upstairs is the loft. So you have an extra seating room area up here, extra living room, tall ceilings as well. Nice for the kids. They can watch TV up here if you'd like. And also over here there's a nook with a desk. So you could do your bills here, the kids can do their homework. Then we'll go over here to the primary bedroom. Look how large this primary bedroom is. The king-size bed. They're large nightstands, so there's plenty of room in this primary bedroom. We'll go into the primary bathroom, and it has the shower and tub for easy cleaning. And then it has dual sinks and recessed lighting. And it's really tall ceilings. There's a linen closet. Lots of storage here. And then over here we have the walk-in closet. It's a pretty good sized walk-in closet. I'll walk in here so you can see. And we'll go down the hall here to the laundry room. So this house has a laundry room upstairs, super convenient. Lots of storage, and there's even a sink. Now there is a tile here in the wet areas as well. And here's bedroom number 2. And that's a queen size bed, large nightstand, so you can see how big this room is. Beautiful railings here. These are wrought iron railings. So pretty. We'll go to bedroom number 3. Again, a queen size bed, tall ceilings, recessed lighting. There is up there in every room electric, so you can put a ceiling fan. And here's the bathroom for those bedrooms. They put a tall shower curtain. Looks pretty that way. I'm going to show you the lot size here so you have an idea. That wrought iron fence won't be there, it'll be brick walls. You will have the awning here, covered patio. The barbecue is extra, but it will be to whatever you want to put back here. It's a beautiful home. So I hope you enjoyed this property. It's a beautiful home with the 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and it has that extra room there for an office, a gym, or whatever you like. Cadence, beautiful. They do have the new Smiths going on right over here, so it's a nice grocery store. Has everything that you need. It's huge. So they also have the new veterinarian out there, lots of places to eat. So I hope you enjoyed this. And if you wanted more information, my number is right here. You can call, text, or email me, however you want to get a hold of me. We're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys have a blessed day.